Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today special day because we have a speed test. Speed test on Friday, November the 5th, 2021. And I have no good news for you today because we have only two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, there are no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. That means I will solve the rest of the puzzles. Yesterday there was also no additional, and yesterday I solved the rest of the puzzles of Wednesday edition. So what I will do is the Tuesday edition. I will solve the rest of the puzzle of the Tuesday edition. But first we will do a speed test with these two puzzles. The Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. Let me zoom this out. Okay. This one will be a number 3, 6, 3, 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this Sudoku Light has 5. No, each big square. We have 9 big squares. Has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Speed test with no comments or instructions. Alright. 1. Yes, here 1. There 1. 1. What a 4. 4. 4. 8. 8. 8. 7. 7 and a 2. 2. Come on. 2. Ooh. 5 then. 5. 5 and 3. This should be a 6, I believe. 6. 4 and come on, 4 and 1, 4 and 9. Yeah, the 9. 9 and 3. 4 and 5. The 2. This should be a 9. 2 and 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3 and 8. This should be a 4. 2 and 8. Okay. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 2 and 9 and 9 and 3. 3 and 5. The 9 and 3. 5 and 2, 8, 3, finish in 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes. Wow, a lot of thinking, But once in a while, you need to do a speed test. Yes, a speed test to train your brain work faster. Yes, just like a computer. You need to train that brain. All right. Let me do the double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Yes, should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. No double numbers in a row or in a column. So this should be the answer. This should be the solution. All right, speed test in 5 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. So next time, in a second, I will continue with the speed test with the heavy Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.